on? What is it, little George? Are you hungry? Are you ready for some cereal? You wanna go eat? You hungry? How about some pellets? You wanna go have some pellets? You wanna go have some pellets? You girls wanna go out later? Do you know that I love you? You're my girl. I love you. Oh, are you tired? You wanna go have some pellets? You wanna go have some pellets? Do you know that I love you? I love you. I love my girl. You're my girl. How about a walk after dinner? A walk? I love you. You're my best girl.
Oh dear. Anne, could you hold him back?
Come on.
I'm still watching.
Back up. Back up.
Thank you so much. Hold up. Oh, Jesus. Girls, lay off Mommy just a little, okay? Come on. Alright, I'll give you love, but let me put my stuff down, okay?
Look, it's Mommy, Felicia, and Joan.
Oh my God. Oh my God, alright.
It's Mrs. Beasley. Mrs. Ann.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's them if the other ones are dirty.
Yeah. But don't you feel like there's enough color in this room with the walls and the...